So having a hack to make your life easier as a parent, as a mom. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pauline and this is my tiny corner for first-time moms. If you share the same experiences, if you share the same struggles, please make sure to hit that red subscribe button down there so that you will be notified every time we upload a new video. Today is a special video because Keababies just sent us an amazing product, which is a Caddy. I've been like eyeing on this one for so long because it's just so ideal and so perfect for your nursery. So today's video, I'm gonna do an unboxing and review and must-have and essentials on your diaper slash nursing caddy, which is absolutely a must-have for every mom. So first part of this video is I'm gonna do an unboxing of this one. Second part would be the review, and third would be the must-haves and essentials in your diaper and nursing caddy. So make sure to keep on watching. That's Paula right there. She is on her crib. I'm just gonna let her play while I'm doing my video. Okay, so let's unbox this goodie right here. It's on a plastic bag, which is sealable. It is so gorgeous. There you go. So it is a caddy, so pretty. It is beautifully packaged with, of course, Keababies logo right here. That is just so cute. And it says original diaper caddy, modern, stylish, versatile. Aww, I love it. Also, aside from this beautiful cardboard with its name, it also has three small cards. One says it's hi, I'm a Keababies original diaper caddy. I am spacious and versatile. You can store everything for your baby's diapering needs. Get creative with my storage spaces. Bring me anywhere and everywhere. Let's create wonderful moments together. Great. Okay, so this note, this one has a to and from writing in here, so you can have this one, so perfect for a gift. Also, these two cards saying thank you for loving me from your little one. Also, I am a proud parent, like a bookmark. I think you can for sure definitely use this one as a bookmark. And Paula's favorite thing to do is to look, see, she wants her name sign upside down. See? Ow! It is so gorgeous with plus point for the very gorgeous logo from Keababies. Another favorite thing just by looking at it is the felt finish, which is super soft. And the color, of course, if you guys don't know, I love neutral colors. This is gray, so you can match this with any paint that you have in your nursery room or just any room, especially if you're co-sleeping like we do. We are co-sleeping. So this is perfect. Also, it has, let's open this. Ooh, very huge. You can definitely put everything here for your diapering and breastfeeding needs if you're breastfeeding. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outside pockets. The way you store your stuff inside can be done in 3 ways. So you can do this one this way with like open spot, open area without the divisions, and I mean compartments, if that's how you like to call it. This one also comes with a divider. These ones, so it's removable, so you can modify it however you want it. So it's also made of felt, same thing with what the Caddy is made of. So this is removable, so you can, again, one for the clear open space, and then you can do the T like this. And what's good, again, as I've told you, it's removable. It has Velcro in it, so you can remove and attach it. Also, same thing on the other side. That's the Velcro right there. And if you want to have like 2 major spaces, you can also remove this ply and then just do 2 separate huge ample space for your diaper and breastfeeding needs. So very huge, very classy, very modern looking, neutral color. It's perfect. You don't just have to use this as a diaper and a breastfeeding caddy. It's, again, as I've mentioned, since it's versatile, it doesn't look like it's specific for diaper caddy. You can also use this one if you have any office supplies, or if you have any pet stuff, or just basically anything that you wanted to store and have a caddy with. You can definitely use this one. But since we don't have a caddy upstairs, I just have a small compartment for Paula's diaper needs, changing her diaper needs. Third part of this video, which is the must-haves and essentials for your diaper caddy. This is like an update of what we previously made for the previous video. Having a caddy is one of, I would say, a hack for moms, especially for first-time moms, to make your life easier. You want to make sure that you have a caddy in each section, in each floors of your house, so you don't have to rush upstairs if you're in the living area when you wanted to change your baby's diaper. So that's a hack, and that's one hack that makes parenting an awesome job. So having a hack to make your life easier as a parent, as a mom. So having a caddy is one. So let's proceed to the must-haves and essentials for your caddy. So this is the caddy I have. It's filled with all the basic stuff which Paula and I, which we need, Paula and I. So I used the 3-way. I used the compartment to make it a 3-way storage caddy. So this side right here, as you can see, are all of the diapers. These are the basic thing for a diaper. That's why it's called diaper caddy, because you have diapers. And on this side are wipes and this disposable changing pad. I am a huge fan of this because you don't have to wash it if there's any accidents or spills, whatever. And on the other side are all the the knickknacks and everything. I have her lotion because we bathe her on this level of the house. This one, an extra lotion. These are nursing pads, just so when I leak I can put this one on my bra. Also a thermometer. I know this was on my video on the Caddy that I made a couple months back, but I put this one upstairs because I think that the nighttime is the time that most likely I will check her temperature. So I put this one on this Caddy upstairs. Also, I have some sanitizer, and I have an extra bottle of sanitizer, and also extra wipes, and also another major important stuff, this diaper cream. So I think that's all of the basic that you wanted to, I think those are the basic stuff that you wanted to put in your diaper / nursing caddy. I can now finally get rid of my messy box, which is upstairs because I already have a caddy downstairs. I'll put their website right here, and follow them on Instagram and on Facebook at Keababies. So again, if you learned something from this video and if you like this one, please give it some like, share this away to your friends, and subscribe so you will be notified if you upload a new video. If you want to check out my other videos about Keababies as well, please feel free. Also, I have lots of videos about motherhood, my journey as a first-time mom. Be sure to check that out as well. I do unboxings, reviews of products, and tips, and just basically everything about motherhood, the good and bad. This is Pauline. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Say bye! 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 Say bye! Bye! Yes! Alright, bye!